The American Heart Association rang the opening bell earlier this hour to recognize the start of American Heart Month and its first ever Go Red Shop with Heart campaign. And joining me now to share more is Emily Kroner. She's the SVP of U.S. Market Services at NYSE-listed Mastercard. Emily, welcome.
Oh, thank you so much for having me.
What did it feel like to be up at that podium bringing awareness to heart health?
It was so exciting to have all the women gather around to mark the start of Go Red Shop for Women and Heart Month, which is in just another day. It was just really exciting to start that journey.
Did you all plan to wear red?
We did. Listen, we're all in the business of fashion and retail, so yes, there was a lot of coordination on those red outfits.
I missed the memo. But we're tonal. We sort of go together. And I understand, Emily, you have a very personal connection to heart health. Why did you get involved with this campaign?
Absolutely. I have two amazing daughters, and my daughter was 13 last year when she was diagnosed with an unexpected congenital heart defect. So she actually had her open heart surgery in May of last year, and in that we found that there was an incredible community of women who, have been impacted by heart disease and cardiovascular issues. So it was kind of natural for us to all come together, and it gave me the opportunity to channel something into really productive opportunity to raise awareness for such an important issue.
And speaking of raising awareness, can you walk us through this campaign?
Absolutely. So Go Red Shop with Heart is a means for fashion and lifestyle and retail brands to come together because consumers can be reached with an understanding that, heart disease and cardiovascular impact. 1 in 3 women within the U.S., 1 in 3 women will die from cardiovascular issues. And so it's so important for us to use an industry that has kind of given so much and reaches so many consumers to raise awareness about the critical need for women in heart health. So we have leading brands that have committed to donating portions and proceeds during the month of February, during Heart Month, to the American Heart Association to continue on that mission. So retailers like Michael Kors, Reebok, Torrid, Somersault, these amazing brands have come together and said, we really want to make a difference for heart health.
And how does participating in this campaign align with Mastercard's brand values and core ethos?
So at Mastercard, we are so proud to do well by doing good, and that is exactly what we're doing here. We are using, Mastercard to help power some of the awareness of this campaign and really bring that to consumers and cardholders so they can make a difference as well.
What is next for this campaign, and how do you hope it will pan out?
We are just getting started. There's so much opportunity here to continue to raise awareness. Women are 50% of the U.S. population, but yet only 42% of research is spent on women's health conditions when it comes to cardiovascular health. And so there's so much opportunity to get other brands involved, other retailers involved to really, 1, raise that awareness, but 2, do an incredible amount of good that can be funneled into amazing research.
And I know that this campaign focuses on women's heart health. What are some ways that women can stay heart healthy?
Absolutely. So, what's critically important is know your numbers, right? Watch your sleep, right? Things that are sometimes hard as women to do when we're balancing all of the things. Make sure that you're eating really well and obviously exercise.
All right, Emily Kroner from Mastercard, thank you so much for joining us, bringing awareness to such an important issue.
Thank you so much for having me. This is an incredible day, and thank you to the Exchange.